So multiplying, I multiply the whole number times the numerator. That gives us 15, and the denominator stays the same, which I can confirm up here by counting my fourths. I've got 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all together, they eat 15 fourths, or drink 15 fourths of juice. And then we've been practicing turning this into a mixed number by dividing 15 divided by 4, which gives us 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 left over, which our remainder becomes our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So another way to write 15 fourths is 3 and 3/4, which we can see here again. We've got 3 wholes, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3/4. So 3 and 3/4 cups of orange juice. Okay, let's do one more. And we're working up to, these are drawing a model, but when you do these on your own, it's really just asking you to show the equation. So here, 22, 23, 24, the model becomes optional. So just stick with me for this part, and then you'll see how to do the equations. So Stella ran 1/2 mile. Brian ran 7 times as far as Stella. So we know that this is like secret math code for multiplying by 7. So I'm going to take my 1 whole and divide it in half, because that's what our denominator shows. I'm just going to draw some rectangles so I can have a place to start. And each one of these rectangles, the unit box is 1/2. So if Stella runs 1/2, but Brian runs 7 times as many, that's the same as saying 1/2 times 7, right? So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 1/2 is the same as 7 times 1, 7, and the denominator stays the same. So this is our equation, okay? And we end up with a fraction greater than 1 whole, 7/2. So we can rewrite that as a fraction greater than 1, as a mixed number by dividing. 7 divided by 2, 2 times 3 is 6, which leaves 1 left over. The remainder becomes the numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So 7/2 is the same as 3 and 1/2, which we can see here by the model. 1 whole mile, 2 whole miles, 3 whole miles, and 1/2, or 7 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that should give you a place to start for the rest of these problems. Remember, you don't have to draw the model, but you can if it helps you. You do need to write an equation and then show how you solved it. All right, I'll post the answer key so you can check your work when you're done. And page 234 just has some more real world problems. Good luck.